Hi. So for today we're starting with the defects of eye. And episode 7. Today we'll be doing some numericals. Uh, so I was told that sometimes the explanation that I do is too long and not required. So today let's experiment. First I'll stick to very short analysis of how to do the numericals, and then later on for some I will try to explain how and why we doing these things. So okay, first we do the basics of lens. Any lens, just the formulas. Any lens, what are the three basic formulas that we always use? The three formulas that are used for lenses are this. I'm assuming the meanings you are or familiar with. Focal length, image distance, object distance, magnification, power. Uh, I want to introduce one more formula here, which is prone to less mistakes. Here, the thing is the focal length is to be kept in centimeters. This is the real formula. This is the derived formula. But what happens in numerical questions, usually the focal length is given in centimeters. All right, and lot of children, lot of us, they forget to convert the units. When we try and use this formula, f is equal to 1 by f, p is equal to 1 by f, we forget to convert it into meters, and hence the value of power goes wrong. So you can use either of them, but this is a safer formula where you remember that this is in centimeters, and 99.9% your focal length will be given in centimeters. The units that will be achieved from both of them will be diopters only, or D. So primarily these are the formulas which any lens uses. Now, let's discuss myopia today. In this episode of, we'll. Oh, is it episode 8? I think this is episode 8. Just to see that correction. Um, okay. So let's discuss myopia first. Myopia, remember, you cannot see far. That blackboard, the school, is not visible to us, or that hut on the mountain is not visible to us. All right. So, what are the various numerical values that we are to be aware of in such cases? Whereas we have the typical things we and you that we are usually worried about. In these cases, in myopia case, when you're trying to looking far, the object is far, right? So the object is very far. So the u object distance is taken as minus infinity. Simple, clear, because the object is supposed to be very, very far. Uh, what is V? We are discussing myopia where we are trying to calculate the power of the lens. जब हमें myopia होता है, we have to go close to the blackboard. Then we are able to see. So V is nothing but क्या हमें कहाँ आना पड़ेगा close to the blackboard. The blackboard is there, but I'll have to go shift to the first bench or to the second bench to see the blackboard. So that distance between the blackboard and the new bench is the V. This is this is the new. This is till where we can see clearly, or it can also be called the new far point of myopic eye. Okay, in the explanation section, we'll do more about it. And this is nothing but far point of the far point of normal eye, right? All right. Then we can calculate focal length. Simple formula. Just put the values and calculate from there. We can calculate power, and these are the only things that we need to really calculate. But one thing to understand: which lens are we using here? By the way, we are using concave lens for the correction of myopia. So the answers that we expect, both for the focal length, will be in minus, and even for power will be in negative. Remember this. The answers that you should get should be in negative. अब ये focal length और power है किसका? Sometimes children don't even understand ये किस चीज की power है. Is this the power of our eye lens? No. This is not the power of eye lens. This is power of the lens which we are wearing as the specs. जो हम चश्मा लगाएंगे, the lens which is present there, this is what the power and the focal length of that lens is. Keep that in mind. It is nothing, these two have nothing to do with our eye lens, which has gotten kind of lazy or fat or anything. There is nothing to do with eye lens. This is the focal length power of what? Of the concave lens in the spectacles. This V and U is for whom? Is it for our eye? No. It is for the concave lens which is in the specs, which we have put in the specs. So all the four quantities that we are using during calculations are meant to be for that external glass lens. All right. Okay. Now, I hope this is clear. In very short, this is fine. Now we'll go to the explanation of why this is minus infinity, why this is the new far point, and all these things. Okay, we're still sticking to the same topic. Okay, before we go on to the explanation, let's try to shorten this also. This can also be shortened. Can you see that the formula here is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. All right. I had just written that u, the object distance, because we are trying to see very far, is minus infinity. So what happens if I substitute the value 1 by f becomes 1 by v minus 1 by. What is 1 by infinity? That's 0. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v. You get f is equal to v simply. Simply the focal length of the external specs that we are wearing will be equal to the distance from which we can see clearly. जहाँ से हमें ब्लैक बोर्ड साफ नजर आ रहा है, फर्स्ट बेंच के डिस्टेंस से आ रहा था वो, सेकेंड बेंच के डिस्टेंस से आ रहा है तो वो, दैट इज द वी and that will be equal to the focal length of the specs that you have to wear in meters. This is extreme shortcuts. This can use for a proper numerical. If it is like 2 mark numerical or something, then you properly start from here, from the lens formula. But if it's like an MCQ or something like that, then you can directly use this. There's no calculation involved. they'll tell only कि आपको इधर से दिख रहा है, वहां से नहीं दिख रहा. All right. So this is the shortcut where we just orally tell the answer for the focal length, and power can be calculated at diopters. Now we'll take the explanation and then we'll take some actual numerical. Okay, so again, okay, so this is the blackboard that we want to see. This is now explanation in detail. This is the board that we want to see, and we are suffering from myopia. As of now, let's do the correct eye only. Quickly, we are very far. We are sitting on the last bench. हमें ठीक दिखाई, हमारा लेंस पतला सा है. We are not going into details of this. The rays are parallel. This we have done many times. I'm not discussing this in detail. Okay, so this is a correct eye. This is the first part where the eye is normal eye. And you can see things properly, right? This is going to be you. See, the object and the eye are far away from each other. That's why we say that u is the object distance is minus 70. Fine. We come to the second case where we are suffering from the problem. हमारे लेंस को प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, वो मोटा हो गया, वो नहीं देख पा रहा है. So the situation is, board, we are sitting on the last bench. The lens has become thick, two converging. The rays are still parallel because the object is very far. Correct? The object's distance still remains minus infinity क्योंकि object बहुत दूर है, parallel ray रहा है. We are discussing a myopic eye. अब हम बहुत दूर बैठे तो हमें नहीं दिखाई देगा. क्यों नहीं दिखाई देगा? क्योंकि ये यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन आ जाएगा. इंटरसेक्शन यहाँ आते we will not be able to see nicely, or we can say in short, we can't see clearly. But the object distance, remember, remains u is equal to minus infinity. Now we come to the third eye, which is the corrected eye, which is of the interest in this topic. ये सब तो हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं. Which is the corrected eye. So let's see what has happened. Has the board moved? No, it is still there where it was. Have we moved? No, we have also not moved. We are still on the last bench. We are still far away from the board. Our eye lens is still thick. Okay. This is the board. Okay. The rays will still be parallel because they're coming from far off. The moment the rays are coming from far off, you will instantly become minus infinity. कितनी दूर से आ रही है? The u is very, very large, infinite. But now here comes the change. Now because we want to sit at the last bench and see clearly, what we have to do? What do we have to do? We have to wear some specs. We have to wear a specs with concave lens. We've read what does it do? It just spreads the light a bit. Okay, a bit only. It just diverges the light a bit. Then it falls on the eye. Then it falls on the lens. And then it is able to converge it exactly on the retina. Sorry, this is a little dirty. This is primarily happening theoretically. कि उसने diverge की थी, and now we can see clearly with u is equal to minus infinite. Again, I'm stating, see the differences in the three diagrams. They are completely different diagrams. Here, it is a normal line. दूर है ऑब्जेक्ट, आई ऐसे भी ठीक है, हमें दिख रहा है. तो सेकेंड डायग्राम, हमारे आई को प्रॉब्लम आ गई है, ब्लैक बोर्ड अभी भी दूर है और हमें नहीं दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे हम अभी भी वहीं बैठे हैं, हमारे आई में अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है. सी बोथ ऑफ देम आर फ्लैट लेंसेज. हमारे आई में अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है, मगर हमने चश्मा पहन लिया है. यहाँ पे वी आर वेयरिंग अ स्पेक्स, because of which this unclear vision has become clear and we can see it nicely. Theoretically everything's look good. Now numerically क्या हुआ, हमें v नहीं मिला अभी तक, what we were intending to do. Let's focus only on this diagram now. I'll make it big and clear so that we understand what is big, what is u, what is v, nice and clear. Theoretically, diametrically, you've understood the difference between the three diagrams of what happens in myopia. Now we'll draw only the corrected eye. Okay, what did we say initially? That the lens which is wearing specs, we are interested in u, v, f and power of this specs. हमें इसके रिस्पेक्ट में ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस निकालना है, इसका इमेज डिस्टेंस निकालना है, इसकी पावर निकालनी है. आई लेंस से हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है, होने दो, जो उसको हो चुका वो हो चुका. यू कांट डू मच अबाउट द आई लेंस विच इज inside. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll limit ourselves to the specs only. Why should we go up to the eye? जब eye से हमें कोई calculation ही नहीं चाहिए. So okay, let me just make it. This is the eye, this is something, and here is the specs that we are wearing. Here is the lens we are wearing. Now we'll limit up to ourselves up till here. We will not be bothered about the eye only, because everything is in context with the external glass eye lens, external glass specs lens. We can see now this is u is equal to infinity. This was called, remember, the far point. Far point of who? Normal eye. अब इसने क्या किया था, इसने लाइट को डाइवर्ज किया है, इसने लाइट को डाइवर्ज किया है. नाउ लेट्स रिकॉल द रूल फॉर डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ अ पैरेलल लाइट रे. टू पैरेलल light rays, when they are diverged by a concave lens, where do they meet? They are getting diverged like this. Will they ever meet anywhere? No, they will never meet, क्योंकि वो दूर दूर जा रही है, यहाँ पे कहाँ मिलेंगी वो. तो फिर इसका सोल्यूशन क्या निकाला था फिजिसिस्ट ने, कि they never meet actually, but they will meet, they appear to meet at a point. We extend them back and they appear to meet here, because parallel rays appear to meet on the focus. This was one of the rules of the first chapter. So they will appear to meet here. Now what is this point? Isn't this V? Image यहाँ बनी ना, जहाँ पे मीट होती है या appear to meet होती है, वही तो image होती है. Image क्या होती है? जहाँ पे the refracted rays appear to meet. The refracted rays, these are the refracted rays, they are appearing to meet here. So we will see the image of the blackboard here at the focus. Okay, so this, because the image is here, this becomes the V. V is the distance between the lens and the image. Now think theoretically again. हमें कब दिख रहा था? जब हम बोर्ड के पास चले, कि जब हमने अपना डिस्टेंस बोर्ड से कम कर दिया था, हम जब 2 मीटर दूर बैठ गए थे बस, या 1.5 मीटर्स दूर बैठ गए थे, तब हमें दिखा था. इसका मतलब इफेक्टिवली, let's draw the eye again now. What has happened? Now the lens has converged here and we can see. So effectively, this is the function. इस बोर्ड ने क्या किया है, ये बोर्ड को यहाँ पे इमेजिनरली शिफ्ट कर दिया. आई को ऐसा लग रहा है, आई को इससे मतलब नहीं है ए वाले सेक्शन से. आई को क्या लग रहा है कि लाइट कहाँ से आ रही है, आई को लग रहा है कि लाइट यहाँ से आ रही है. इट्स लाइक शिफ्टिंग टू द, it's not like shifting to the first bench, it's like shifting the entire blackboard to you. But pass to aina. So the role of this is roughly that it brings the object closer to you, and the moment the object is closer, it becomes clear. Because eye को लगता है कि लाइट तो अरे वाह यहाँ से आ रही है और मैं तो देख लूंगी इसको. ठीक है. So the role is, it brings, the role of the lens is that it brings the object virtually, it's not really happening, the blackboard is not coming to us, near us. जो हमें दूर का पॉइंट था वो हमको थोड़ा सा पास ले आया है. That's why this point is also known as near point of myopic eye. So this is what it is. So that's why we have that u is equal to minus infinity, v is equal to the near point of myopic eye, जहाँ से हमें क्लियर दिखना शुरू हुआ है. ओके, जहाँ से हम क्लियरली देख सकते हैं. And then the calculations will carry on and we can easily do. Pay attention to this point. This बहुत ज़्यादा एक्शन है इस पॉइंट पर. This is a high action area. यहाँ क्या क्या है, इस पॉइंट पे क्या क्या हो रहा है देखो. That point which is marked F, that point. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But it's okay. So that point F, what is it? It is, first of all, it is the focus of our specs lens. ये एक lens है made up of glass, it will have a focus. So it is, see, the focus of the specs lens, right? Second, it is also the where is it? Oh, I just wish you all were live and could keep telling me the mistakes that I keep doing. And the same point F is also the far point of myopic eye. So they can give the question in any language. So we should know all the languages that can be used. Okay. This is also the distance from which we can see clearly. First bench wala distance. This is also the focus, is also the same thing as this, in with simpler words, distance from which vision is, I hope it is not getting cut in the camera, is clear. This is also V for the formula. Okay, so this focus point is actually different, can be defined in different ways. Focus point of the specs lens, focus point of this. Okay, now we'll quickly take up a numerical and wind up. So, suppose the question is the person is not able to see. The person is not able to see. The question is a person is not able to see, is able to see, okay, is able to see the blackboard or a far off object, any object दिखे ना, from a distance of say 2 meters only. He can't see it from the lens. What power of lens should he wear? What power of specs lens should he wear? Now, how do you solve this? Like a 2 marker, like a 3 marker? Identify that. अभी तो हमको पता है कि हम myopia कर रहे हैं, इसलिए कोई problem नहीं. Identify the disease. He can see only 2 meters. दूर का नहीं दिख रहा है. So the first analysis will be, in the solution, the first we'll analyze the disease. Here the disease is clear that he is suffering from myopia, and the solution is also clear that he'll have to use this specs. Okay, let's now, once we know this, we know the other details. We know that the object should have been, or the object is at minus infinity. What is B? Is the new near point, is the new far point. I'm so sorry. Which is he can see clearly only from 2 meters. अगर 3 मीटर पे ऑब्जेक्ट चला जाएगा तो उसको नहीं दिखाई देगा. So the new far point is minus 2 meters. Let's calculate F. Simple calculations. This becomes 0. So 1 upon F becomes minus 2 meters, or the F focal length becomes 2 meters. The focal length of the external lens that we have to wear is simply 2 meters. Now if I have to calculate the power is 1 by F, it is 1 upon minus 2, 1 upon minus 2, which is nothing but 0.5 minus 0.5 diopters. So this is the power of the lens that one is expected to wear when a question like this is come. Simple numericals, just what should be V, what should be U, and why are they what they are. All right, chalo. Next episode, last episode, we'll take up hypometropia numerical and the explanation. Thank you.